Should I proceed then? Just give me thumbs up or yes, then we can start our session. As already we are getting late. So it's just introduction and demo lecture. So it will be get recorded also. So those who want to listen it, they can. Yeah, okay. So good evening. As you alone have joined today's session. So let me introduce first myself. I am Akshata. So I have completed my masters in biochemistry and I have also qualified Maharashtra SET exam in August 2023. So basically, I think that you and all of you have read about Railway Recruitment Board notification. So in that, you all know that various paramedical posts have been published by them. So various posts are there, so in which our channel is going to launch a number of post courses, just like health and malaria inspector, then lab superintendent, field worker, lab assistant, and many more posts. So today I will be specifically going to discuss about health and malaria inspector post, in which what syllabus RRB has mentioned in their notification, and how we will going to conduct this course, in which pattern, and what other sources will be available to you from our channel. So can you Bhani, once just last time just tell me that can you visible my slides? Just give me thumbs up that you can clearly see my slides or not. Otherwise I will just check from my side. Okay, okay, good. So we will proceed. So just I said that health and malaria inspector, so this is grade 2 post, and we are going to launch a course related to this post, in which we will cover all the syllabus related that is mentioned in RRB notification. Accordingly that we will cover all the topics, plus you will get all the notes, plus recorded video lectures, as well as live lectures also we are going to conduct. Then practice of MCQs on daily basis, topic wise practice, plus mock test also we will be going to provide in this course. Okay, so along with me, Akash sir, one of my colleague, we both are going to cover syllabus related to health and malaria inspector. Okay, so other courses which we are going to launch is are the field worker, then pharmacist, dialysis technician, nursing superintendent, and laboratory assistant plus laboratory superintendent. Okay, so in these are various courses that are mentioned in RRB notification. So all these batches we are going to launch soon. Okay, so if you and your friends, those who want to join, so they can join. And the one good thing is that we are conducting these batches in both languages, that is English plus Hindi. So those who are comfortable with English, they can join our English language batch, and those who are comfortable in Hindi, so they can join Hindi batch also. So there will be no language barrier at our channel. So though as per your convenience, as per your language choice, you can join that batch, specific batch. Okay, so next. Okay, so now I will just give brief introduction about health and malaria inspector syllabus. So specifically, they in notification only four topics they have mentioned, like food and nutrition, then environmental sanitization and sanitary engineering, then communicable and non-communicable diseases, in which prevention and control they have specifically mentioned these term. Okay, and then health and death statistic. So specifically, you will say that ma'am, only four topics they are included in this, but no, there is means in this topic also the syllabus is vast, so we will cover all the topics as per the syllabus, and maximum points, and as per exam point of view, we will cover all the topics related to these four main topics. Okay, so there will be all we will take all the lectures accordingly. No means with practice questions, topic wise practice question also we will provide to you. And regularly, maybe it will be in the form of recorded lectures, and sometimes live lectures also, in which live interaction with students we can conduct that session also. Okay, so let us. So today's topic mainly I will focus on human health and diseases. So here I will just introduce about what topics will be there under this health and diseases heading, which they have means which they have mentioned in their notification. So specifically in notification they have mentioned only communicable and non-communicable diseases, but accordingly as they have mentioned health and malaria inspector post. Okay, so of course there will be maximum portion that will related to health and disease points, so we will cover all the points related to health and diseases. Okay, yes. Barney, are you getting my points? You can interrupt me, or you can yeah, you can interrupt me anytime wherever you want to ask something, or otherwise I will not get to know that I am reaching to you, no, or not. Okay, yeah, right, good. So we will just look take a brief knowledge about this health and disease topic. Okay, so see, health. So it is a basic term which we all know what is health. So it is nothing but the state of complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. So specifically, what we can simply define, how we can simply define health. So it is complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. Well-being means कि we are fit, fine, physically fit, mentally fit, socially fit, and as well as spiritual fit. So overall, it is known as our health. Okay, then disease. So disease is nothing but it is a disorder or damage of any of physical, mental, social or spiritual health. Any kind of disorder or damage, or any kind of infection that damage our physical, mental or social health, that we call as disease. Then syndrome. So these are the terms in which it is just these are some terms that is related to our health. So here a brief explanation about these terms they have given. So this we have given, sorry. So syndrome is, it is occurrence or cause of group of diseases. Means syndrome means what? Symptoms. Means if a person is infected with any of pathogen or get disease, so what type of symptoms it he or she shows, so that symptoms is also known as syndrome. Okay, so pathogen, so these are nothing but the germs or agent that causes diseases. Virulence. So what do you mean by virulence? So it is nothing but the how degree of pathogenicity of a pathogen in host body. Means how the how much the pathogen is infecting our body, and how much dangerous it is when when it is in the host body. Host body means ki, on which the pathogen is surviving. Okay, so parasite. So parasite is nothing but it's an organism living at the expense of another organism, harming latter up to variable extent. Means parasite means the organism which live on other organism. Means someone who is enjoying his life on others, means he means it is depending on other factor for its survival. But though he is though that factor is surviving on other factor, but it is harming that factor only. So they are known as parasites. Okay, So next is host. So host is an organism in which parasite live. So where does parasite live? The parasite live in host organism. Where the parasite lives, they are known as host organism. Okay. So carrier host or intermediate host means it is an host in which the parasite pass some stages of its life cycle before entering primary host. So these are the terms, means in what is meant by infection. So infection is what the struggle between parasite and host for superiority. If parasite wins, disease occur. If host win, disease not occur. Okay. So simply they are given. If parasite wins, means it will cause disease to any human or any animal, and if host wins, then disease will not cause, because host will host plays a major factor in our defense human defense system. Okay. So refractory period or incubation period, it is the time gap between entry of pathogen into a host and appearance of first symptoms of infection. So see, the what is congenital disease? So it is inherited disease transferred from parents to offspring. So what is meant by congenital disease? So the disease which are inborn or which they have inherited from their parents or grandparents, or it is a parental line disease that known as congenital disease. Acquired disease means what? It is disease occurring after birth, means it is not transferred from parent to offspring, but it is acquired from it may be occurred by environmental factor, or it can be communicate from one person to another person. So that kind of diseases are known as acquired diseases. So acquired diseases are two types, means communicable disease and non-communicable disease. So these two main points they have mentioned in their RRB have mentioned in the notification in of health for health and malaria inspector. So communicable and or non-communicable disease. Okay. So communicable disease are what? The communicable disease are germ induced disease which may transfer to person from victim, means the disease which can transfer from one person to another person, means if one person is suffering from some disease, then from him other person may get infected. So that kind of disease is known as communicable diseases. And its anonym or its reverse, non-communicable disease, means the diseases that cannot be transferred from one person to another person. So that diseases are known as non-communicable diseases. Okay. So these are some examples how birth defects or congenital diseases may occur. So causes, so most of causes are unknown causes. Okay. So it may be genetic or chromosomal causes, means in genetic mapping or chromosomal mapping, at that time if some error occurs in cell division, or any chemical exposure happens, or any infection to mother or father at the time of before the time of a formation of zygote or embryo. So at that time, if any genital causes occurs in mother or father's body, then it can get transferred to baby, and the baby can born with birth defects. Okay. So there are types, there are two types of birth defects. One is structural type and other is functional or developmental type. So here are examples of that types, means if structure type of birth defects happen, then what are the example? The neural tube defects or congenital heart disease. Sometimes you have heard about that baby has hole in their heart, or other that someone has a breathing problem due to as their heart is weak. So a number of examples are related to this. Okay. Then how you can be detect. So here detection techniques are given, like diagnostic tests, CVS and amniocentesis. By doing this test, one can identify these birth defects. Then prevention. So prevention, what are the prevention? Many cannot be prevented, but preventive measures can lower their risk. Okay, just like if mother consume prenatal vitamins, regular checkup, infection avoidance, and addiction controls. Okay, so here are types of communicable diseases. Like communicable diseases can be caused by n number of factors. Like bacterial diseases means the diseases that caused by bacteria. So some examples are given here, like airborne diseases, like bacteria that are present in air can cause diseases. So which type of diseases? Whooping cough, diphtheria, meningitis, pneumonia. Then waterborne and foodborne disease. So bacteria that are present in water or that are born on food. So what kind of diseases they can cause? Like typhoid, cholera, food poisoning. Then soil borne. So bacteria that are present in soil can cause tetanus. Then sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, then viral diseases. So viral diseases are nothing but caused by virus. So here are some common examples of diseases that caused by virus, like common cold, rhinovirus infection, then chicken pox, measles. So these are some common examples of diseases that caused by viruses. Okay, so here are n number of diseases I have mentioned. So these all we will see in detail. Okay, so just for reference, I have mentioned all diseases. Okay, like see here, protozoic diseases are there. Then helminthes diseases, which caused by helminths, like ascariasis, filariasis. Then fungal diseases, which caused by fungi, like ringworm. So all these disease, common diseases, we will discuss it later in details, like how it is caused, then what are the symptoms shown, maximum symptoms that they shows, then how can we prevent them, and treatment related to some this kind of diseases. We will see all these uh, points in our upcoming lectures. Okay, so here are some charts that I have mentioned, that which kind of diseases are caused by what kind of organisms. Okay, so here I have mentioned all types of diseases and their causing agents or causal organisms. Okay, just I am going fast, as I can't explain, means there is nothing to explain more about this, just I will read and you will listen. So better I will provide this all the notes or the slides to you, so you can have a look on it. Okay, as today I am not taking this in detail, because I will take all the lectures in detail, step by step, so that it will not bombard that all things are going in your head in single stroke. Okay, just today is just a introductory lecture and demo session. So in this I am just giving a, or I am just giving you brief view of the this topic, that what I will going to cover in health and human health and disease topic. So just I am giving a brief overview of it. Otherwise you don't think that I'm not going to take all this topic in detail. Of course I am going to take all this topic in detail, with all basic to basic point to advanced point also, that how some in some diseases, like we have to discuss all their life stages, that organism life stages, how it replicate or how it infect the organism. What different, there are a number of stages involved in how they infect any host or any organism. So different types of diseases, and very common and easy, in easy way we will take all the lectures in detail, so don't worry about that. So here I have mentioned all the diseases, common diseases, that are communicable plus non-communicable diseases. Okay, so you can go through this. Then other types of diseases, like AIDS, this is very common disease in day to day life. So, okay, AIDS is nothing but acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So it is reported in 1981, and approximately the last 20 exists from last 25 years. Okay, so its causative agent is nothing but the human immunodeficiency virus. So HIV causative agent is human immunodeficiency virus. So that's why it is called as HIV AIDS. Okay. So it is a group of virus called retrovirus. It is nothing but a retrovirus, and it has annual closing RNA genome. So it contains RNA as its genome. Okay. So how it get transfer? So how HIV get transfer? So it is nothing but it is a communicable disease. So sexual contact with infected person, then by transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products, by sharing infected needles, as in the case of intravenous drug abuser, and from infected mother to her child through placenta. So these are main four positive or transmission factors that can lead to AIDS or HIV infection. Okay. So how HIV affects our body? So here all the cycle is mentioned, which we will look after in detail. So how it gets the RNA genome gets replicate, and how it get transferred and get infect in the particular body. So here is its complete cycle of this HIV virus. Then what are the main symptoms of HIV infection once the person get infected with HIV? So what symptoms generally they shows, like weight loss, fever, pharyngitis, lymph nodes swelling, muscular weakness, liver enlargement, then headache, neuropathy, then sores and thrush in mouths, then spleen enlargement, gastric nausea, skin rash. So these are some common or main symptoms that HIV infected person shows. Okay, so how it can detect it? So ELISA means enzyme link immunosorbent assay. This is one kind of biochemical technique which is used to detect HIV virus. Okay, and Western blot test is also done to confirm result of ELISA. So both these tests are done to confirm if a person has got infected with HIV virus or not. Okay, here are treatment. So treatment is use of retroviral drugs. So by this the lifespan of patient can be prolonged, but it cannot prevent the death, as antiretroviral drug cannot prevent death of particularly infected person who has infected with HIV. Okay, so here are prevention and control method mentioned. So how one can get prevent from having HIV or from getting infected with HIV. Okay. Then next, sorry. So next is our cancer. So this is also one of the major disease in today's date, as many of person has getting infected with cancer. So cancer cancer cells are of two types, like benign tumor or malignant tumor. So benign tumor means cells are not cancerous and won't spread, but malignant tumor mostly found in patient which are cancerous and can spread from one tissue to another, or till another organ also. So here cancers by cell or uh, tissue type means how many types of cancer, like sarcomas, then myelomas, then mixed type means derived from multiple cells or tissues, then lymphomas, then leukemia. So these are types of cancers. Okay, so here are some examples of cancer. Okay, treatment. Okay, so basically this was just introduction of today's lecture, and we are going to launch all the batches related to this post that are published by RRB, like all these posts that are field workers, pharmacist, dialysis technician, nursing superintendent, laboratory assistant, laboratory superintendent, and health and malaria. So all these courses are available on our app, that is Vision 24 by 7. So those who want to join our batches can contact us and can install our app, from which they can directly purchase our course, and they can join us, and they can continue, and they can achieve their goal with us. We will definitely help you out to solve all your queries. Plus, we will provide all the needed material for your preparation. So, I would like to request, yeah, okay. Sorry, Bharani, slide not changed. Now it is changed or not? Hello. Okay. Sorry, I have uh, proceed with all the lecture. But okay, don't worry. I am going to share all these syllabus with you. So, have you just got a brief introduction about today's lecture or not? Just I want to know about this. Okay. Okay. So, Bharni, yeah. So, Bharni, sorry for that. That you won't be able to see my slides. So I have just given brief introduction about health and disease topic. I have not gone through a detail intro. Just I have given introduction about this lecture. So don't worry. We will, yeah, we are going to conduct all this lecture in details in our course. So don't worry about that. You will get all these points up to the point. Okay. So yeah, as here is not means we have not provided, so you can chat with me. Yeah, you can, yeah, right, you can chat with me. Otherwise, you can call on the number mentioned in here for your queries. There you can get all your queries sorted. So if you have any doubts, you can clear your doubts regarding it. So not to worry. I will go through my slide. Wait a minute. I will show you the, yeah. So here you can see number is given. So you can directly contact on this number. So all your doubts, we will try to clear all your doubts. Okay. So you can note this number. Have you noted the number? Okay. Okay, Bhani. So, are you Hindi sider or are you comfortable with English? Just I want to know about that. If you are comfortable with English, then you can join our English course. And if you are comfortable with Hindi language, then the Hindi language course is always also available on our app. So there is no language barrier problem here. So according to your convenience, you can join any batch. Okay. Yeah. So okay then. So this was today's about today's lecture. So okay, okay, no problem, no problem. We are going to conduct the lectures in English also. So not to worry. Okay, no problem, sir. Yeah, that's why we have launched our course in both language, that don't those who are comfortable in English, so they can join our English batch. Okay, Bani, don't worry. You can convey our or you can promote our this demo lecture also, or our channel. Other lectures are also mentioned on YouTube channel, so there you can visit our channel. And if you have any queries, you can contact this on this number. Okay. So this was from my side. Okay, so I would like to conclude today's lecture. And yes, those who want to join our batch, they can contact us directly, or they can install our app. All the contact details are given on our channel. Okay, so as soon as possible, please join our batch, as we are going to start launch our batch very soon. Okay, so till that, keep studying, and okay, bye, take care, thank you.